back to my channel. So today we are going to do a book. So book means with paper. So I love this book very much. I love this idea. So hope you all like it too. So let's get started. So these are the materials required. 2 A4 sheets, color paper. We need not that much color paper, but we need only half of the color paper. Stapler, a pen, or we can also use the marker, and scissors. So let's get started. So first we need the A4 sheets. So we will keep one aside. So what to do is fold the A4 sheet into a half. You have to fold it firmly and very neatly, and the edges should be so neat, because if we are doing a book, the edges should be neat, then only the book will get nice. Next we have to fold it again into the middle. So how much width you want, like this, that much you have to keep. So I want to fold it once more. If you want like this much, you have to take like 3 to 4 papers, so that the pages would be more. So like this only we have to do this paper also. So we have done it. Now what we need to do is we have to find the identical sides like this, and we have to staple it at the sides like this. Take the stapler. See the edges. And you also, if you are small kids, then take the help of an adult to do the stapling and the scissors part. So we have done the stapling. So still it doesn't look like a book, right? See how the pages are binded. So now what we need to do is we have to cut it. How means we have to cut it like this and like this too. Now you have to take the color paper and put the book on it. So you have to put it at the edge, and you have to hold the paper and fold it. Turn it aside and level it at the end. Like this, do the leveling and mark here. Mark here where the book ends with a pencil. And now you will get like a book cover. So now you have to cut it according to the measurements. So after you cut it, it should look like that, like this. So now we have to check it whether the book fits into this cover. So it fits. So if it not fits, we have to cut the cover or the book. Now we have to stick it with the glue. So first we have to apply the glue here, this part. Make sure the cover sticks firmly. So now we are done with sticking the front side. Now we have to stick with the back side. So same, again we have to put the glue. Again put this. Press firmly so the cover sticks to the paper. So here we go, we have our book. But I still want to do some decorations in the front and the back, so I will do and show it to you guys. So I did, and I decorated my diary. So in the front I wrote my diary and my name, and with a cute combination I did with my black pen the hearts, so it came beautifully. And at the back I wrote always keep smiling and a heart with 2 white dots. So this is my diary, and hope you all like it and making it. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye guys, see you in my next video.